Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML encoding character sets. And right now, we'll be discussing about the ISO-8859-1 character set. So I'm going to be exploring this. So let's follow along quickly. ISO-8859-1 is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127. ISO 8859-1 does not use the values from 128 to 159. Notice that, please. And also, ISO 8859-1 is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. I want you to note that. So let me explain this for you guys again. Let's just leave this ISO. Let's leave the number alone. Let's just use it like this. ISO is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127, which is this ISO we are talking about right here is ISO 8859-1. And again, it does not use the values from 128 to 159, 128, 129, 130, 130, 132, up to 159. It does not use the values. And again, it is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. So never forget that. ISO 8859-1 is what we are talking about. It is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127, and it does not use the values from 128 to 159, and it's also identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. So I think we have to stop here. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thanks.